So this is a video update on Aurora store. I visit the store twice a week, sometimes maybe once a week, but I usually visit on a Sunday because on Sunday is the end of the week. They get the shipment on a Monday, and on a Sunday is when I can see what in the store has sold out. So, by looking around to see, what products sold out, what products are still on the shelf, and what I saw last time I visited on Sunday, was most of their products are selling. Aurora is moving product off the shelves pretty good. They're moving a lot of product off the shelf. What I noticed was most of the higher THC products, anything above 15%, usually is all sold out. Everything that's above, I say about 15%, maybe 17%. The Blue Dream all sold out. Most of the San Rafael products that are in the 20s all sold out. There's Purple Corrado, which is 13.59%. Those are still on shelves because they're low THC and people don't like low THC products. At least that's what I've been noticing. So Aurora needs to be able to have the ability to grow higher THC products, and then the batches that are lower THC, they should just extract that and turn that into oil and sell the higher THC products that they're getting. So that's what I think they should do. I don't know if they're doing that, but that's my opinion what they should do. But yeah, so Aurora flagship is already seeing an average of 700 visits per day on average. 94% of the MJ and accessory stores make a purchase. So 94% of their customers, so 700, if we pull up a calculator, 700 times 0.94 is about 658 customers, and each of their products, when you look at the products overall, what you see in the store, you would see in the range of the cheapest products they have is probably, I would say, $12, or $12.50 is one of their pre-rolls, and the highest is $72. So let's say if each person bought one product each, they'll probably average around 50 Canadian dollars. Let's just say 50, just to be for sure, times 50 a day. That's $32,900 per day from that store, times 30 would be about $1 million. If Aurora is making $1 million, they are making $700,000 of profit, probably from that store. But this is Christmas, so they opened the Aurora flagship store around Christmas time. So January might be a slow month, but in January you gotta remember that they have edibles in the store, so that might increase their customer base because people are gonna go back in the store to buy edible products. And I think that will increase the amount of customers that are in that store. But, we'll see what happens at the end of the day. But I'm thinking that they might still see a consistent 700 visitors because people are going to be flooding back into those stores to buy the edible products. And so Aurora could still make an average of $1 million per month for the entire year. So that is $12 million they would be making from the Aurora flagship stores, unless their customer client base grows. And then there's another thing that Aurora does that I really like. Everybody they buy, they ask them, are you a member of the Aurora family or whatever? At least that's what they say. And I want to see the numbers from what they gather, how many customers they have registered in the Aurora flagship location. If they registered over 100,000 customers, oh man, their stock would skyrocket. but I don't think that's going to be the scenario. But if they did, if Aurora says that they registered more than 100,000 customers in Edmonton alone, the stock will skyrocket. But we will have to wait until earnings to see what Aurora announces. And yeah, so earnings, I think earnings is going to be a big mover. And I think the stock is probably setting up for earnings, but I could be wrong. We'll see. If we look at their products, sorry, I went into their store and I took a picture. They were displaying the products on December 17th. That's when I went in. And then the next time I went in, they took off those products. Maybe because customers were like bugging them, and I was like, why do you have them on the shelves and, don't sell them to us? Because they can't sell it. The government doesn't allow Aurora to sell any edible products to be sold until probably sometime in January. So that's probably the reason why they could. And then the next time I went in, they took it off the shelf. So, I mean, I took a picture and I'm showing it. I hope I don't get in trouble for showing this picture, but this is a picture, so I don't think it's a big deal, but who knows? We'll see. Aurora stock is trading, it's up 2 cents after hours. So, a lot of pressure today. The stock is going down. I still have a position in Aurora. So, I made a position in Aurora because I thought Aurora was going to skyrocket. So I bought it at 203 or something US, on Boxing Day, December 26th. Could it go down more? Yeah. I did lose my money, but, I could buy more. I didn't put all my money in. I'll make that my core position. So, and then if the stock price keeps going down, I'm going to add to my position. I don't know if it's going to go to $1. It could go to $1, but this could also be the opportunity of a lifetime right here. I still believe in Aurora, but some people don't. Some people are saying this company's going bankrupt. Fine. You have your own opinion, like I have my own opinion too. I like the company. I like the fundamentals. Yes, they screwed up, but that's business for you. Is it life fatal screw up? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know at the end of the day. But if it went to $1, I would definitely load up on shares because I believe in the company. And the lower it goes, the more likely I'm going to load up on shares. But right now, I don't know. Like, this could be an opportunity, but it could keep going down. Don't know at the end of the day. I still like the company, and I will be scaling in if it keeps going down. So we'll see what happens. Aurora is $2.50. Not too much to say about that in Canadian, but it looks so attractive at these price points. But it could go lower. The lower it goes, the more attractive it looks to me. Aurora's fundamentals haven't really changed that much. Bears are just attacking it. So, and edible products are selling well at the moment. But we'll see if this continues. If you guys really want Aurora to not go bankrupt, buy their products. Tell family members who use MJ products to go with Aurora instead of other people. And one day, who knows, maybe Aurora will become a leader, and this price down here is just an opportunity to be loading up on shares. But I don't know at the end of the day what's going to happen. I hear that there's a lot of negativity on Aurora right now. A lot of people hating on the stock. I think the reason why Cam Batley left because he probably knew that the stock price is going to go down lower, and he's probably scared to walk around Canada at these levels. But again, this is my opinion. There's an article that says that Cam Batley left was asked to leave Aurora. At the end of the day, we don't know what exactly happened. We may never know. Only the people in Aurora knows. Unless you talk to Cam Batley yourself, you don't know what exactly happened, and Cam Batley will probably not disclose exactly why he left. Why he left Aurora. Afria, it was trading sideways today. Not too much to say about that. Canopy was pushing a little bearish today. No. And then Apple today, I bought Apple put option just at the right time. I bought some put options right at 290, 292, I believe. At 292 right here. And now the stock price is around 289. So yeah, I hope it keeps going down. I don't know if it will, but I hope so. We'll see what happens. It is really overbought right now. Not really overbought, but it is overbought right now. So, I'm hoping it goes down more. Today, the market was trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Apple, down 12 cents. Tesla is extremely overbought right now. Extremely overbought. RSI is at 85. It's starting to look like the stock is about to pull back a little bit. So I'm thinking $400 short term. Could be wrong. We'll see. Chesapeake Energy is trading is down 9 cents. The lower, no, you know what? At this point, it's almost been a month. I don't know. It looked like it was starting to uptrend there for a second, but I don't know. It's risk. Huge risk. And MACD is telling me that it's going to start a downtrend. JAP finally pulled back today. Finally a little pullback. Still bullish. But, yep, had a little pullback today. Not too much to say about that. I still have a position in CHAP. I'm up almost 100% basically. Largo is trading sideways. Liberal Health Science is, had a little push up today. Makes me happy. I think that, Liberal Health Science could, I think it's going to start uptrending, because if we look at the chart, it's looking like it's starting to, it could be bullish. We could see it go back to 74 cents in the short term here. But risk versus reward. MACD is telling me it's starting to uptrend. RSI level is becoming bullish. Money is pushing back into the stock. So, yeah. MedMen. So Wolf of Wall Street is basically telling investors, stay the F away from MedMen. Don't buy MedMen. It's going down further and further. There is some serious problems in MedMen. I wouldn't doubt it. So I don't know if you guys, no, MedMen is just pure gambling, because that's how I see it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, in the near future here. Consortium Incorporation down 36 cents. Not too much to say about that. Harvest Health trading. It was up 5%. Pulled back 8 cents today. Pulled back near the end of the day. It seems like it's stuck in the range of $3 for a while. I think anywhere below $3 would be a buying opportunity, and if you were to swing trade it, it could go back to $4. It could go back to $5. I would say around $5 would be kind of overvalued, because you have to incorporate all the acquisitions together, which would make the company about $3 billion. Could happen, who knows, but I'm saying like below $3 would be an opportunity. That's my opinion. Disclosure, I did buy a little bit today, just a little bit, because I think that it's uptrending, but it could fall back down to below $3, which would create an opportunity. Illinois is becoming legal, and I believe in the U.S. companies. So, yeah. Acreage Holdings. Acreage Holdings look like it's downtrending right now because I think Canopy is starting. I think the market's anticipating that Canopy is going to downtrend. So, it looks like Acreage is pulling back. I have no shares in Acreage, but I think I did have shares in Acreage, but I sold it at a profit. Because I thought Canopy was gonna go down. I'm bearish on Canopy. Like, I think earnings report, Canopy is gonna go down like big time. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not bullish on Canopy around earnings time whatsoever. Rivers. I think Rivers is gonna go down further. Rivers is undervalued, but I still think Rivers are going to go down more simply because Rivers is traded like Canopy. If Canopy is bearish, Rivers will be bearish too. But who knows? This could be an opportunity at the end of the day. Don't really know, but I'm thinking that if Canopy pulls back, Rivers will pull back too. Rivers is attached to the whole main market, so more of the speculation stocks. So if the entire cannabis market continues to sell off, the speculation stocks anyways, I think Rivers could fall even further. But, again, that's my opinion. Curaleaf, even though they have an unlock coming, they are up $7.64. I do have a position in Kira. I was planning to buy more, but didn't get my chance today. But, but MedMen, already talked about MedMen, and Hexo, $2.10, a market cap of $539 million. I think MedMen is overvalued, but again, I think Hexo is overvalued, but again, that's my opinion. I think, if we look into the future, it's hard for me to see Hexo survive. There's just too much competition in the market, but we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Molson Coolers will come in and buy out Hexo and save the company. We never know at the end of the day. Anything's possible. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.